So it's Herbiarie again. I trust you guys are having a fabulous week. I know it's been a while since I've come on here and shared uploaded some content. It's been a busy couple of weeks. It was the hub's birthday and I was neck deep into preparations, but we're all done now and I'll try and be more consistent with my videos. So the video of today is my skincare routine. So most of you follow me on Instagram. I put up some pictures of the items I use on my face, morning, evening, every morning, maybe evening, and every night before I go to bed. So this is just going to be a short video on how I use these products, and anyone that also uses these products, kindly put and drop down in the comments and let me know how you use them and what your thoughts are. Until then, thank you guys so much and catch you guys on the flip side. Bye. So to take off my makeup, I either use the Bliss makeup melt or the Clinique take the day off balm, but for the sake of today's video I'll be using the Clinique take the day off balm. So the good thing about this product is that it melts the second it touches your face, and it melts the entire makeup away. So I just rub that all over my face and ensure that I get every single part, from my eyeshadow to my lipstick to my brows. It works very, very, very quickly as well, so it's very good. I then take a wet makeup wipe, and I wipe away the makeup as well, the melted product on my face. I ensure to get the cracks and crevices of my face, under my nose, under my eyes, under my hair, under my my forehead as well, to ensure that I get every nook and cranny on. Once I'm sure I've cleaned all forms of the makeup, I will be taking my Neutrogena Ultra Gentle Hydrating Cleanser. I'm going to be putting that on my scrubbing exfoliating brush, and to ensure that I wash out all bits of the makeup on my face. Once I'm done with the brush, I rinse out my face with some warm water, then would dry my face with a hand towel. Then I take my simple Micellar cleansing water and put that on a cotton pad as well, and wipe my face with that to ensure that I got every single bit of makeup on my face. Once my face dries, I will be using the Vitamin E Body Shop Hydrating Face Mist. This just ensures that my face is hydrated after I take off my makeup, because my face, I have combinations to dry, oily skin. My face tends to get dry, and one thing I detest more than anything is dry patches. So this just ensures that I don't get any dry patches before my night routine, before I go to bed. For my night routine, I wash my face using the Ultra Gentle Hydrating Cleanser from Neutrogena, and I wipe my face with another face towel. Once my face dries, I'll be using the Herbiarie Vitamin C Face Serum under my eyes, because that's where I tend to have some hyperpigmentation, above my lips, and just rub that in to ensure that it absorbs into my skin. Finally, before I go to bed, I use the Neutrogena Tone Repair Night Moisturizer on my face. Put that on my forehead, on my cheeks, on my chin, and ensure that it absorbs into my skin all the way to my neck before I go to bed. So guys, that's my night routine. It's off to bed. Time to catch up on those Z's. I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow morning. Good night. Good night, guys. I will start by putting some drops of organic Bulgarian RoseWater on a cotton pad and wiping my face with that. This acts as a toner and a cleanser to ensure that I get all the grime and dirt from my face. As you can see, I still have some bits of dirt even after I have washed my face using the Neutrogena Ultra Gentle Hydrating Cleanser. After I let the cleanser dry, I will be using the Herbiarie Skincare Hyaluronic Acid on my face. I will be taking 3 drops on my forehead and on my cheeks. And the benefits of hyaluronic acid is that it ensures that my skin retains its moisture and also aids in anti-aging as well. For my moisturizer, I'll be using the Neutrogena Rapid Tone Repair Moisturizer. This moisturizer also has SP30. I cannot stress how important it is to have your moisturizer have some sort of sunscreen, either SP25 or SP30, to protect you from the UV rays. And this product retails for, I think, about $15 to $16 depending on where you get it. Just put this all over my face, all the way to my neck. Hi, so guys, this is me getting ready for work. Makeup all done, about to get out of the house and drop the baby off at daycare before I head off to work. So this is the skincare routine that I've stuck to every single day, weekends and weekdays. I'm very conscious of the kind of skin tone I have. I have a combination to oily skin, so these products that I've been using for the past 5 months or so have been working for me particularly well. You can get the hyaluronic acid and vitamin C serum at TJ Maxx. I'll put the links, Marshalls, and I'll put the links down below. The Neutrogena from any drugstore, Walmart, Walgreens, CVS, or Rite Aid. So if you guys like the video, if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Until the next time, guys, have a beautiful day. Bye.